You're working remotely, and a client call is suddenly transferred to you. No heads up, no notes. They've already waited long, and now they expect answers. But you're flying blind. No context, no clue what's been said. What starts as a client call quickly turns into a bad experience. And the customer? They remember the frustration, not the fix. Remote work shouldn't come with broken call experiences. What your business needs isn't just call access from anywhere, but context that travels with the call. With KrispCall, the AI-powered business phone system, your team can take calls from any device over the internet. Caller details, past conversations, notes, and tags stay organized in real time with every call, so agents always have the context. Advanced call routing connects customers directly to the right person, and with live call coaching, managers can guide agents in real time from anywhere. No gaps, no confusion. Just smooth, connected support with a great experience. Remote work shouldn't mean disconnected business operations. KrispCall helps you stay present, responsive, and prioritize customer experience anywhere. Explore KrispCall.com to experience remote call access that actually delivers.